In this video I'm going to show you how to get crying filter on Snapchat. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, open up your Snapchat, make sure it's updated to the latest version, and then tap on that icon to open up filters. And then scroll to the very right here to explore new filters. There, tap on Explore and in search bar type crying. And here I got a bunch of different filters. I like that one with that icon. That's, for my opinion, the most realistic filter. I'll select that. And now you see that my face become very sad, like I'm really crying. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.